Some people work hard their entire life, yet remain broke. Others build wealth quietly, almost like they're following a secret code. Most people focus on money, but successful people focus on money habits. Financially successful people know exactly where their money goes. Every peso, every dollar, every day. They track income, they track spending, they track progress. Tonight, write down every expense you made today. The wealthy automate their finances. Investments happen automatically. Savings happen automatically. Money grows without daily effort. Successful people never stop learning. They study business and technology, AI tools, and high-value skills. Spend 20 minutes today learning one skill that increases your income. Every morning, ask yourself 3 questions. What money did I track yesterday? What system is growing my money today? What skill will increase my income tomorrow? Financial success isn't random. It's built on 3 daily habits. Track your money, automate your systems, learn skills that grow income.
Join the investigation. Subscribe to our channel to uncover the next hidden financial truth. Turn on notifications bell and let's keep decoding the blueprint together. Join me on the next case. We decode, analyze, reveal. Case closed.